Hi everyone, Priscila, Leen here. It's a little book, not a big sketchbook, not a canvas, just a small, quiet notebook that fits in my hand. And today it's going to have flowers in it, blue ones. I love painting in small spaces. There's something about a tiny page that makes you a little braver. The mistakes are smaller too, which helps. Not that I'm planning any mistakes. I never plan them. They just show up very confidently and make themselves at home. Blue flowers, I don't know exactly what kind, and I think that's fine. They are the kind of flower that exists because I need something blue today. That's a valid reason to paint something. The stems come next. Thin lines, slightly curved, because nothing in nature grows in a perfectly straight line. And neither do I, honestly. But that's a different conversation. The little book is filling up now. Petal by petal, stem by stem, one small blue flower at a time. There is no rush here. This is the slowest, quietest kind of Florida afternoon, which for the record still involves about 90 degrees outside. But in here, with the watercolors, it feels like a garden. And that's the page, blue flowers in a little book, painted on a regular day that need a little color. I think that's what sketchbooks are for. Not for the days when you feel inspired, but for the regular ones. I don't know what to paint moments, the days when blue just sounded right. Those are the pages I love the most. Thanks for being here for this one. Thank you so much.